Hello guys, welcome back to My Dreams Academy. Guys, today we'll discuss the life cycle of Plasmodium. You know, Plasmodium causes malaria, right? Guys, Plasmodium vivax is there, Plasmodium malaria is there, Plasmodium falciparum is there, in which Plasmodium falciparum causes malignant malaria. So today we'll discuss about the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax. Guys, here carrier is actually required for the transmission of Plasmodium. So carrier is what, guys? Carrier is a female mosquito. Which female mosquito, guys? Female Anopheles is there. So female Anopheles act as a carrier, guys, means act as a vector, you can say, right now. So guys, life cycle of Plasmodium, which form of the Plasmodium causes effect and causes malaria? So guys, infective stage of Plasmodium, listen, infective stage of Plasmodium is known as a what? That is called sporozoites, guys. What we can say? Sporozoites. And here carrier will be what, guys? Carrier will be female mosquito, means female Anopheles, right? Female Anopheles. Clear? Now sporozoites is an infective stage of Plasmodium, and guys, sporozoites found where, guys? Sporozoites carry female mosquito in a salivary gland, right now. Guys, when female mosquito bite to healthy person, guys, when female mosquito bite to healthy person, right, then sporozoites will be enter into the blood region, right? This is about of the sporozoites. Is that clear or not, guys? Now these sporozoites enter into blood to where, guys? Finally comes to liver region, guys, right? And you know very well, guys, liver is a organ those made up of a cell, and that cell is known as a hepatocyte cell, guys. So this is about of the hepatocytes cell of liver. So when sporozoites enter into hepatocyte cell, guys, this is about of the sporozoites. These sporozoites here undergo asexual reproduction, right? Due to asexual reproduction, guys, multiplication will be occur. This condition is known as a what, guys? Schizogony. Is that clear or not? So it start to destroy the hepatocyte cell. After that, what happen? These enter into liver to where, guys? Liver to RBC. Enter into where, guys? Liver to RBC cell, right now? Liver to RBC. So guys, when it will enter into RBC cell, so it start to damage RBC. So what happened, guys? RBC will be rupture. When RBC will be rupture, guys, so from RBC one chemical will be releases known as a hemojoin. What we can say, guys? Hemojoin. This hemojoin is responsible for causes fever, as well as what, guys? About of the chill, right? Clear? In the sense what? In RBC, why RBC will be rupture, guys? Because in RBC cell also asexual reproduction occur. Is that clear or not, guys? And ultimately formation of or gametocyte stage will become. Again I am saying, guys, listen. Life cycle of Plasmodium vivax here required two hosts, guys, right now. Primary host as well as what, guys? Secondary host. Primary host as well as secondary host. Primary host will be what? Primary host mosquito, right? And secondary host man. Is that clear? What I said? Mosquito is a carrier, simply, right now, vector. Mosquito bring what, guys? Plasmodium. Which form of Plasmodium? Sporozoites, means infective, right? When mosquito bite to healthy person, sporozoites enter into the healthy person blood. Then finally comes to liver region. Liver have hepatocyte cell, undergo asexual reproduction and start to damage hepatocyte cell. After that, liver to where come? RBC region, start to rupture RBC. Here also asexual reproduction occur, guys. Due to rupturing of RBC, from RBC releases hemojoin. Hemojoin is responsible for causing fever. Is that clear or not, guys? After that, guys, gametocyte stage will come. anyhow condition, right now person, healthy person become infected person. Again if mosquito will cut, right now again if mosquito will cut to infected person, mosquito bring these gametes, means gametocide stage into where guys, midgut region of mosquito. In midgut region of mosquito sexual reproduction occur, right? After the sexual reproduction again formation of the sporozoites occur. That sporozoites comes again salivary gland of mosquito, and again mosquito ready to bite healthy person. So this is actually cycle of Plasmodium vivax and causes malaria. Again I am saying two host is there, first primary host, secondary host. Primary host mosquito, secondary host man. Clear? Mosquito bring infective stage of Plasmodium known as the sporozoites. Sporozoites enter into where guys, liver region, start to damage hepatocyte cell. Liver to where, RBC. RBC will be rupture to release toxins chemical known as a what, hemogyne. Hemogyne is responsible for high fever and chill. Is that clear? Why? There also asexual reproduction will occur. Again sexual reproduction where occur, midgut of mosquito. Form again sporozoites. Come to where, salivary gland. Again mosquito ready to bite. Is that clear guys? It's a very important. In next video we'll discuss about of the antigen antibody concept. Thank you so much.